Here's an absolute huge sod off bulldozers. The houses are now finally demolished, only with these stacks remaining. This rubble was someone's home. Sod off bulldozers. This is horrible. This is someone's home, as was. Sod off bulldozers. Oh, there's the remnants of the bottom window. Big pile of rubble here. And look at that big ugly crane sat on it like it's just enjoying its dinner. I think, figuratively speaking, this crane represents the greed. It's sat on there with a huge smug face and it's having a very fattening dinner. Look at this. All this. Sod off bulldozers. This is not going to be Ladywood or Druids Heath. Sod off Berkeley Group. Sod off bulldozers. Remnants of what's left of someone's home. Oh my god. Even on the wall here. Ugh. Horrible. Horrible, 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 horrible. Ugh. What is it with these stupid, greedy people? Sod off bulldozers, sod off crane.